guys? Ryan over here at rpelitemotors. We're actually in our new building, transitioning from the other shop, moving stuff into here. I've got old Rojo behind us. A lot of you maybe know this truck. It's been around for a little bit. Super low mileage. It's a 2017 F350. It's a Lariat but platinum conversion. Complete frame off build, complete interior swap. So let's go through this thing real quick. So as you can see, it's got the race red color on it, fully paint to match all the way around. It's got the Anylevel kit. Does have 30-inch JTXs on 42-inch Furies. Polish, and then you can see in the faces and the inners, it's got a lot of powder coat of red behind it. Spinning caps. You can see the whole lift is the same powder coat as the truck. So we did a 2020 front end conversion on this one. Paint to match this as well. New headlights, paint to match those. New valence, paint to match that. And then the frame off on it, I can show you guys over here in the body. You can kind of see in here, it's got rock lights all the way around, guys. So it's got that black with sparkle in the frame off on that powder on it. You can really see it good when it's cleaned up. It's a little dirty right now. But we got amp steps, next level mats on it. Complete custom interior, so all the plastics are painted red. Got the aftermarket seats in here. Something that's pretty unique on this truck, it does have a center console shifter on it. Something you don't see every day. And again, guys, it's got the Suede headliner, star headliner, complete moonroof. It's got subs back here. It's got 4.8s under here, guys. And then it's got a fully paint to match ARE camper bed shell. This is a long bed, 350 long bed. So everything's painted on it to match. What else is there? You got the drive shaft is also the same color as the frame off powder. See, it's all black. Axle's powdered. Yeah. Bumpers all paint to match. Got the Gen Y hitch on here, stabilizer kit on it. So you can see kind of all the powder coat underneath and the wheels and on the hitch. It all goes together. This truck does also have compound turbo set up, so let me drop the front and I'll show you this. It's pretty cool. So here we go, full piping kit, compound turbo setup, dual turbos. It's pushing about 650 to 700. It has not been dynoed or anything like that, but it's just kind of a rough estimate on it. The truck drives great, pulls great. It's on 3-inch spacers as well, so it does sit pretty wide, but I mean, you'd be surprised. This thing rolls. You can drive with one finger. I mean, it is the ultimate truck. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, 2017 F350 Lariat platinum conversion, full frame off build, compound turbos, 30s, Anylevel. This thing has it all. Lots and lots of money into this build. It's going to be on our website, or actually it's already on our website. $139, guys. This thing, I mean, over 100 grand in aftermarket parts in it. So somebody's going to get a nice truck. They're going to have a good time. They're going to obviously stand out and be one of the faster trucks around. So we appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and like and follow us on all of our other platforms, and we appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great weekend.